All right, and we're looking at example 3 on page 507, and this is where it says the key concept. So you have to pay attention when you're multiplying or dividing an inequality with a negative number. So we're going to look at that, and it says you have to flip this. I'm going to change the color so we can flip this. So it's negative 2g is less than 10. And so we're working on the g side, and we're going to divide both sides by negative 2. So that should be binging in your head. You got to change that. So you're going to circle that just to remind you. So this has to be greater than. So we have, g is greater than, stop, drop, divide, would be negative 5, because now you have the negative rules, and you also have the inequality rules. And now you have to graph that. So you have 0, 5, and negative 5, and you ring the negative 5, and it is greater than, so the negative goes this way here. Okay? All right, and so it's open at negative 5 because it isn't including it. All right, and let's do example 4 on page 507, and it says x over negative 3 is less than or equal to 4. All right, so again, we just got to remember that little trick on the key concept on page 507, and it is, we're working on the x side here, and we're going to multiply both sides by negative 3, because that's the property of equality for multiplication, inequality rather, and we're going to go x, and we have to, if we're flipping it, we have to flip that over, and it would be negative 12. So now you graph this, you need a 12 and a negative 12, and it's open at negative 12. Or is it? It says it's greater than, so the arrow's going this way. Is it opened or closed at negative 12? Does it include it? It does, because of this equal sign, so fill that in. So the solutions are anything greater than or equal to negative 12. Good job. Bye-bye.